And Governor Ron DeSantis has appointed a Republican to fill the vacant job of the Orange County Supervisor of Elections. The Democrat who was elected to that job retired in January, and now some are concerned that the DeSantis appointment is of a party loyalist who could influence the outcome of the presidential election. Orange County, of course, covers Orlando, Winter Park, and the area around Walt Disney World. Jeff Patterson joins us in our Tampa newsroom tonight to explain.
Good evening, Stacey. Ron DeSantis has previously handpicked Glenn Gilzean to run the Central Florida Tourism Oversight District. That is the entity that replaced the Reedy Creek Improvement District that runs Walt Disney World. Democrats in Orange County are outraged by the appointment.
In Orange County, Bill Cowles was the elected supervisor of elections. But when Cowles, a Democrat, retired, he did not name a replacement. Now, Governor Ron DeSantis has taken care of that.
Listen, Governor DeSantis has never shied away from using his appointment power in nonpartisan positions with a foot soldier, a loyal foot soldier. And so this is not something that's surprising.
Tara Newsom is a political science professor at St. Petersburg College and says the appointment of Glenn Gilzean as supervisor of elections is a flex move by the governor.
It's signaling to us that he understands the importance of the I-4 corridor, and in case anything goes wrong in the 2024 election, he's got someone that he knows and trusts in that position.
Democrats in Orange County issued a statement about Gilzean, saying having such a partisan figure administering the elections in such a Democratic county is more than deeply troubling. Tara Newsom says voters in Orange County will have to keep a close eye on the next election.
The voters need to be watching Orange County to make sure that there's a fair application of election laws in that county, and they don't necessarily create barriers and obstacles to people exercising the right to vote.
Governor DeSantis did make an appearance at the Florida Strawberry Festival this morning, and he did not take any questions. News of this appointment was just breaking after the governor spoke at a breakfast at the Strawberry Festival. In the Tampa newsroom, Jeff Patterson, 8 on your side.